In this video we are showing how to put wiper in the car, and we are using a safety car here as model, and you can see it is written mist of IND yellow and HI. IND means it is the wiper in a slow speed, then it is slow speed, then HI is high speed. So now it is in off position, and if we want to put it to turn it on, simply press our hand simply like this, and you can see that now the wiper have been in the minimum position INT. Now if you want to increase the speed of this wiper, then we must do is simply press this our hand once again down like this, and now you can see that it have been increased the speed, and now it is high speed now. And to reduce the speed you must simply press this like this. Now the speed have been reduced to little low, and if you want to turn this wiper off, again press this up, and now you can see that the wiper have been off. And if we turn it once again up like this, and you can see that this is good for mist cleaning. So remember, if you're driving your car and you wish to put the wiper, you must if you are riding like this, and you must press your hand like this, and now you can see that the wiper have been on. Okay, and if you want to reduce the speed, then you must simply press your hand like this. Hope you understood the video. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Engineers World Online. Thank you.